Welcome to this episode of Talk That Tech. Today I'm going to share with you how you can create your own YouTube channel. So all you need is a Gmail address, which is a free email address provided by Google services, and you will simply come up here and click on sign in, and you're going to select the account that you want to sign in with and utilize, and then just sign in with your regular password and click on sign in. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to create a channel. Now you can attach a channel to your page or to your Google Plus profile, and in this case I'm just going to connect it to my page because I already have one connected to my profile, and I'll simply go to whichever page I want to utilize and I'll click on create channel. Or I can select create a new channel if I want to. I'm not going to go ahead and continue all the way through because I don't want to start a new channel, but it's really that simple, and there you have it, a brand new YouTube channel. One thing I do recommend is going ahead and verifying the channel by entering your phone number so that you can get an extended amount of time to record your videos as well as host live Google Plus Hangouts, which are really good for business. So that's it. That's really how simple it is to create your own YouTube channel. Was that even 2 minutes? I don't think so. So thank you so much for watching Talk That Tech, and be sure to go below and join my VIP e-marketing lounge where I share daily tips and strategies to build an online business that works long after you've worked on it. Ciao for now.